Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got Skip in here again.
What's the word?
Man, it's been a long time since you've been in one of my vlogs.
Long time.
Man, shout out to Skip for taking me down here to pick up the new reveal car. Yes sir.
That mud clean.
Oh, it's clean for sure.
Yeah.
And so everybody's gonna be able to see the car as soon as I get inside of it. I already got the key. Yeah, I got the key already. And so we're getting ready to go get it notarized right now. Get the title notarized, and then I'll be on my way back home. You know, chilling like a villain. About to start working on this car YouTube project. And then, you know, that's about it. That's about it. I got a real good deal on the car. 98,000 miles, twin turbo. Man,
You beat that
two doors. Yeah, it's quiet too.
Oh yeah.
It's super quiet. It doesn't even. I ain't taking off.
Ain't taking-
I never drove a turbo car.
Ain't safe.
It ain't safe yet. It ain't safe yet. And plus, we need to go get some air in the tires.
And some Raising Cane.
Yeah, and some Raising Cane. Yeah. It's only 5 miles away. Yeah. But anyways, you guys, I'll pick this up as soon as we get back in the car, or UPS store or whatnot, whatever. Well, heck yeah, brother. Right, everybody, welcome back to the video. I'm currently in the twin turbo G35. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and buy an Infiniti. The price was way good, so you know, I just did what I had to do. Just went ahead and bought it. You know what I'm saying? It drives good. It sounds good. Runs good. I'm pretty impressed